What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is Friday, August 4th. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 4 different Ethereum NFT collections I want on your radar. Each one, I'm going to share with you my perspective of what is going on with their NFT collection, its floor price, and also at the very end of the video, I want to share with you an NFT giveaway that I'm actually doing right now for our subscribers of our YouTube channel. If you want to find out what that is, be sure to like the button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. Right now, there are a ton of NFT collections out there, and we do know that right now NFTs are not really developing a lot of liquidity from outside buyers. So that means some NFTs will experience a dip in their floor price because since there's not enough liquidity, a lot of holders decide, you know what, I'm going to take my profits. I'm too nervous. I'm too scared this market's going to go down, and I'm too afraid that the floor price of my NFT collection is going to go down. So what you'll see is that people are going to list their NFTs way below the floor price. But I'm going to share with you the first NFT collection that I think is a great discount, and that is Mutant Ape Yacht Club. Now, I remember when this collection used to be around 50 Ethereum or higher, while Bored Ape Yacht Club was roughly around 100 to 150 Ethereum or higher. But right now, Mutant Apes with a 20,000 collection supply, I think that this is a great entry point. And think of it like this. Some of these NFTs people bought for really high, all-time high prices. Like say, for instance, this person bought this NFT for around 15.26 Ethereum. And now it's literally a 10 Ethereum discount, roughly around 5.68 Ethereum on its floor price. So that is roughly 10,000 US dollars. Again, not cheap, but it is definitely one of the staples and one of the blue chips of Ethereum NFT collection. So honestly, I definitely think that this is something to look out for. And obviously, if you represent this profile picture or this NFT as your PFP on Twitter or any other social media outlet, people will recognize it. People will know like this is part of that collection. And I definitely think when people see this NFT as your PFP, that you're kind of more recognized as an influencer or a public figure or well-recognized, well-known person compared to most NFT collections on Ethereum. So that's why I think this collection is something not to sleep on. And who knows how far it'll dip down. It's been going down quite a bit, but I just don't know if this is like the bottom. And it could be the bottom for all I know. But again, lots of trading volume. But I want to talk about the second NFT collection, and it's not really a PFP collection. It's actually from Beeple. Now, Beeple's NFT collection, if you guys don't know Beeple, he is like one of the most well-known digital artists of the NFT space. Beeple is well known for being one of the most high-profile artists, especially given the fact that one of his artworks sold for millions of dollars on the Sotheby's auctions. Now, you can actually get exposure to some of his core collections, such as the 2020 collection, which was one of the more famous collections of Beeple. Now, right now, each NFT, roughly the lowest is around 6.89 Ethereum. The cheapest NFT is roughly around 12,000 US dollars. But again, these are absolutely high collectible items. These are not cheap as of today. Like if you think about it, if you look at some of his high price items that are on for sale right now, say for instance, this collection, which is the Genesis collection, is selling for 349 Ethereum as the lowest price. And we've seen a couple of these actually sell recently, which is absolutely crazy. So that's why I want to share with you that this collection back over here, which is the Everydays collection, I think is absolutely a great deal. And yes, there isn't like one-on-one unique artworks or one-on-one NFTs compared to the other ones. But again, it's, you know, owning something that's kind of an OG staple of this space, especially on Ethereum. And Beeple is one of those artists you just don't want to sleep on at all. But I want to talk about next the third collection because they're doing something really interesting, and that is Doodles. Doodles right now is around 1.45 Ethereum. So that roughly as the cheapest price is around $2,654. Now, why am I looking at this NFT collection? Because when we look at the overall sales, yeah, it has been down from its all-time high, roughly around 25 Ethereum. So that's pretty high considering that right now we're well below that. We're literally sitting at around 1.45. But there are people buying these NFTs. As you can see, by the hour, it has not slowed down. In fact, when we look at the trading volume, 287,000 Ethereum. That's crazy. So this collection isn't going anywhere, and there's a reason for that. They're actually doing some collaborations. Like say, for instance, they're working with Crocs. You don't know what Crocs are? They're the shoes. They're the infamous shoes that I literally see everywhere, and there's different styles and different collectibles. But now Doodles is doing a limited edition with Crocs, and it's going to be arriving somewhere in August 2023, which we are in the month of right now. So what will that look like? I mean, what I do know is that when they do come out with these shoes, maybe there's going to be like some clips that you can add on to these shoes. Maybe the design work will have these certain color palettes just like Doodles, but it's not just that. There's something else going on. So on August 18th, this is happening. We don't know what it is, but this is some 3D animation artwork, because we do know that Doodles is a 2D artwork full of colors. But what does this mean? What does August 18th lie in store for the holders? Well, maybe holders get a benefit of this. Maybe they're going to be getting one of these Doodles on their apps. Who knows? Who knows? But this is something I just won't sleep on. But not only that, there's an event coming up in Chicago. So this event is happening somewhere in August, and actually the date is actually right below here. It's actually August 19th. It says that the doors will open at 651 West North Avenue in Chicago. That could be in downtown from what I know. It could be a pop-up shop. But this is going to be an in-real-life experience between Doodles and in collaboration with Camp. So again, I definitely think that Doodles isn't something to sleep on. The fact that they're incorporating in-real-life events to NFT holders' experiences, this could be really cool. And this is another reason why holding one of these Doodles gives you front row seats to gaining access to these exclusive events. So let's talk about the fourth collection, and the collection that I haven't talked about ever on this channel, and that is garbage bags, or also known as garbage friends. But garbage bags are part of garbage friends. Garbage bags are these NFTs that look like garbage bags, roughly around 0.12 Ethereum, and they look like this. So what is the lowest cost for that? That's going to be roughly around $228. Now, that's actually a really good, affordable, cheap price point in my opinion. Now, let's go and understand what's going on with the floor prices of this, right? So when we look at the charts, it has taken a dip ever since its launch. But again, it's been hovering around the 0.12 Ethereum level, so not too bad. We have seen some accumulation of these NFTs, as you can see, and I think it's because it's so affordable that people can literally buy these things. But also, let's look into something else. When you buy these bags, you have to stake them, because when you stake them, you're pretty much upcycling the bags, because there's going to be a 29-day period for each one of these bags. I wonder what that's all about. So when you do stake your bags, it's going to show you that eventually, once the upcycling is complete, then you move on to stage 2. And this is like another example of someone who staked one of their NFTs and didn't stake the other one. So this person has 18 days left, this person has 29 days left, so a whole month of stage 1 that has to happen for this bag to go into stage 2. And also we can see here that people have actually had roughly around 1% listed of these NFTs on the floor. 77% of the supply of these NFTs are already upcycled. So that's already 200% of the floor increase and 1000% garbage bags. Interesting. And the last thing I want to show you is the artwork. What are these things going to turn into? Is it stage 1, stage 2, stage 3? But once that's all done, this is what they will turn out to be at the very end of it all. And as you can see, there are different styles, different artworks, different traits, and they're just all over the place. But it's really great artwork. It's really great motion graphics. I just wouldn't sleep on this collection, because for 0.12, if you're willing to be patient, maybe these will do well in the secondary market once these are revealed. Maybe they won't be 0.12. Maybe they'll be around the 0.5 or even 1 Ethereum or higher, because we do know that some of these collections do fetch for that much. So with that said, let me know your comments down below around garbage friends. And another thing I want to share with you is that right now I'm giving away one lucky winner, one of these garbage friends NFT giveaways. Yes, you heard me right. I'm giving one of these NFT giveaways for absolutely free, and all you have to do is click on the link in the description below this YouTube video, and it will take you to this Twitter page. And basically all you have to do is just subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are a current or a new subscriber. Then once you do that, you need to comment with a proof of your screenshot, meaning if you subscribe to the channel, it has to look something like this, where literally it says that you've subscribed to the channel, and you post it down here in the comments. And then after that, you just tag 3 friends and retweet, and that's it. But other than that, what other NFT collections have we not covered on this channel? Because again, this is an NFT news recap of what's happening in the space. Are you feeling pretty cool about Muni of Yacht Club and their floor price dipping this low? And are you feeling a little bullish around Beeple's Everyday's collection? But what about that? Not even that. Let's talk about Doodles. What about Doodles NFT collection? Do you feel okay around buying around the floor price of 1.45 Ethereum, and also their in real life events, and also their collaborations with Crocs and other things? And also garbage friends, right? We do know garbage friends is a great entry price point to enter into this economy. And you've seen what it takes to upcycle and to create your character. So let me know your thoughts down below and other NFT collections that we haven't covered, and I cannot wait to read them. So guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the button, and don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls on both buy and sell orders of both NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Until then, I'll see you guys and girls next time.